Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Rockstar, and today I'm gonna be playing with my birds, Freshyboy and Skye. I'm gonna introduce them to you and show you how cool they are. So let's go.
So this is Freshyboy. He has a darker kind, so like he loves biting me.
And this is
Come here,
Skye.
Freshy. Freshy. So Skye is the one with the light on. As you can see the difference, like that and that. Can you see that difference? It's their face. So Freshyboy, he's a biter. He's the one who bit me. And Skye, on the other hand, does actually bite, but not that much. Doesn't really hurt. So let's go into the cage. Let's look at Skye.
Say hi, Skye.
Skye, do you want to come here? And that's Freshyboy. He's never seen a camera before, so he's pretty scared. And we've put up some toys for them.
Yep. Basically, why don't you come here? Basically, our birds are really cute things. She doesn't mind if I you want to bite me, huh? Oh, you want to pick a fight, huh? Aw, you love me, don't you?
She is cute. Look at her little face. Just look at her. Isn't she cute? Look at her little face. Oh.
Yep, she's really cute.
Hi. Hey, hey. As you can see, she's very cute. And I like doing this to her.
Put her back inside. Put her back inside.
Go fly, baby boy.
She's... In your eyes, there's a heavy blue. Want to love, I want to lose. Sweet divine, a heavy truth. Water or wine, water, don't make me choose. I want to see the that we did that summer. Night.
They're trying to sing.
Drunk all the feelings. Sing, baby, sing.
I think we should go.
Oh, sorry.
Yay, birds!
I don't think they're happy.